Today we're going to be making spaghetti aglio e olio, which is essentially just spaghetti with lots of garlic and really high quality olive oil. Now in my opinion, this is the easiest pasta dish to make, but despite it being so simple, it's probably one of the most delicious ones. Now the ingredients are super simple. All you're going to need is some spaghetti, some garlic, olive oil, lemon, parsley, chili flakes, and salt. All right, let's get cooking. Let's start off with the garlic. Now I'm going to be using around 6 to 7 cloves. It really depends on the size, but 6 or 7 medium-sized garlic cloves should do. Now when peeling them, it's important to not crush them, since we're going to be slicing these cloves into thin chips. So with a sharp knife, thinly slice them such as this. Slice them as thin as you can. And finally chop some parsley as well. Heavily salt your water in the casserole for the pasta. And place 250 grams of spaghetti in. Cook them down for about 9 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, start cooking your garlic and parsley. Fill a non-stick pan with a lot, and I mean a lot of olive oil. I'd say about 200 milliliters. We're going to basically want to shallow fry our garlic. So put in your garlic chips and have your temperature at very low. You're not wanting to crisp these garlic up or overcook them. Essentially what we want to do is flavor the oil. So immediately after your garlic, put in about 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. This will help flavor the oil even more, giving it a slight spicy kick. Brown and incorporate the garlic, chili flakes, and olive oil, such as this. Then once they start getting some color, turn off the heat and place your pasta in immediately. Now with this dish, timing is everything, so you need to have everything prepared because of how fast the actual cook time is. Once the pasta is in, put in a large handful of finely chopped parsley and proceed to mix all the ingredients in. Once all is mixed, squeeze in half a lemon and do a final round of mixing, then you're done. There you have it, spaghetti aglio e olio. Super garlicky, but incredibly delicious. That lemon and parsley help cut through that intensity, and the chili, the garlic, lemon, parsley, and everything just harmonizes with each other. Incredible dish. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell icon for weekly updates.